How to hide and unhide the Viber chat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Viber application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply select on any of the chat that you'd want to hide. So make a long press on the chat and here you can see the option of hide chat. So select on that. Now you need to enter your 4-digit PIN in order to hide or unhide your Viber chat. So simply hiding chat deletes them from your other devices as well. So simply you can tap on your PIN and it will be hidden. Now if you want to unhide the Viber chat, what you can simply do is tap on the search bar at the top and just on the search bar mention the PIN code. And here you can see the hidden chat. So simply if you want to unhide it, you can make a long press and tap on unhide chat and then mention the PIN again. And as you do that, you will be unhide the chat over here. So simply tap on unhide chat. And then now you can just refresh the page and then go back and you'll be able to see it has been unhidden. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.